In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Google as your default search engine in Firefox. Whether you're making the switch for better search results, personalization, or just a change of pace, we'll walk through the whole process step by step, ensuring it's as easy as possible for you. Let's dive right in. First, we need to open Firefox. Once you have it up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. There, you'll notice three horizontal lines stacked on each other. This icon is the menu button, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This is where all of the customizable options for your browser are located. Once you are in the Settings menu, you'll see a list on the left-hand side. In this sidebar, look for the section labeled Search. This is the area where you can manage everything related to searching within Firefox. Click on Search to open the search settings. You'll find yourself looking at a section titled Default Search Engine. This brings us to the most important part of our process, setting Google as the default. Right under Default Search Engine, there's a drop-down menu. Click on it and a list of different search engines will appear. Browse through the list until you find Google. Click on it to select it. With this step, you've officially made Google your default search engine in Firefox. Now, to ensure everything is set up correctly, let's test it out. Open a new tab in your browser by either clicking on the plus symbol next to your current tabs or using the shortcut Ctrl+T on your keyboard. In the address bar of this fresh tab, type in a random search term or question, anything you like. Once you've entered your search query, hit Enter on your keyboard. If everything has been configured correctly, Firefox should now use Google to return the search results. Changing your default search engine to Google in Firefox is as simple as that. With just a few clicks, you've tailored your browser experience to better suit your needs, making your web searches faster and more reliable. We hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you enjoyed this tutorial or have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.